Problem 31 states, given the following inputs to the Mealy machine shown below, starting at state SI, state the output. So these are our inputs here, and this is our Mealy machine on the left, and we start at S of I. The way the Mealy machine works is that these pairs represent the input and output, as well as the arrow to the next state. So we have an input of 1 and we start at SI, which means since this one is 1 on the input represented in red, the output is going to be 0 in blue, and we go to state S1. Next, our input is 1. So from state S1, we take this edge here. So the input is 1 and the output is 0. So right off the bat, we've already eliminated 2 potential solutions. Next, we have a 0. So then we go along this edge, and the output is 1. Then we have another 0. So we go along this edge, and the output is 0. So at this point, we can already derive that the answer is D. But let's continue in the event I were to have something that was really close on the exam. So now we're back still at S0. So we're going to say 1. 1 comes across here, and we're back at S1. And going along that edge, we see that the input is 1 and the output is also 1. So we see that here we still match. We're now at S1, and the input is 0. So again, we go to S0, and the output is 1. Then we're going to have 1 is the input. So 1 is the output. And then we're going to have 1 is the input here, so we're at S1. That means we're going to take this edge, and the output is 0. So it's 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, which is exactly what D is. Therefore, that is the solution.